Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about crochet hooks. I've been crocheting probably 8 years now. I can't exactly remember when I started, but my son is 5 and I was crocheting before I had him, so a while. And I have always used this kind of crochet hook. This is just a metal crochet hook from the good old Walmart store. I believe you can get these, a pack of these for $5.99 to $6.99, at least back when I bought them. But I've always seen people using these. I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on Ravelry, I've heard these talked about a lot. Now this particular pair is from knitpicks.com and I got a whole set. I believe it goes up to 6.0 millimeters. And I got this for just $9.99. So the prices are very comparable. And I wanted to see if this kind of crochet hook was more comfortable to crochet with. And since I've used these kind for the past 8 years, I wanted to give myself a good week to adjust. So I've been using this for a week now. And the first hour or so, it was a bit uncomfortable. Like it took a little bit to get used to because it was a new shape for my hand. But now I have found that this style, where it has the bigger part to hold, is much more comfortable for my hand. When I try to go back to this, not only is it like slippery, it also cramps my hand. And my hand used to get cramps before, and I would just think, oh, I'm crocheting too much, I need to take a break. My hand's been in this position for a long time, which is true. You know, these work quite well. You can still make everything with these, but this, it's got this nice little sticky, like it clings to your hand. It's not smooth. It's not gonna slide out of your hand. It just sticks. If I hold it loosely, this one slides down, but this one doesn't if I hold it the same. So I much prefer these now, and I would like to get a set of larger sizes because I said these only go up to 6.0. I'll have to check Knitpicks, but I'm sold on these. And then when I was researching crochet hooks, I found an even more expensive wooden kind of crochet hook with an even bigger part. I'll put a picture here. But I can't afford them yet. But one day I'm going to get those and I will do a review video comparing and contrasting all three. So my findings is this is much more comfortable, so much easier to hold and crochet with. I'm switching over to these. I like them. I like that they're easier to find. They're just so much more comfortable. So guys, what kind of crochet hook do you use? I have tried the wooden ones from Knitpicks and they absolutely suck. They don't have like a little pinch on the end to like snag the yarn. It kept slipping out. I got rid of my wooden ones. So you guys tell me what kind you use and which one you like best. Have you tried this kind or do you guys just use these? So in conclusion, I would say these are definitely worth trying out. You can probably just pick up one, maybe for $2 or $3 off Knitpicks or another crochet website, and give it a good try. But I think if you do, you'll never go back. And when I suggest crochet hooks to my friends now, I'm going to be suggesting these because you hold them so much better. They just form to your hand so much better. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.